To boot an Acer Aspire AL157-P laptop from a USB device, you first need to access the system's boot options or BIOS settings. Power on and immediately press the F2 key repeatedly to enter the BIOS setup. Most new laptops nowadays do not allow booting from a USB drive by default. To solve this issue, you need to adjust the BIOS UEFI settings. Select Advanced Setting. Then click the Main tab. Enable the F12 boot menu option. Allows you to choose a boot device such as USB drive, external disk, or DVD. Then click the Security tab. Then select Secure Boot Mode and press Enter to continue. It should be set to Standard by default. Scroll down, select Erase all Secure Boot settings, and press Enter. You may see nothing happen on the screen, but this actually erases all Secure Boot settings. Click Exit, then select Save Settings to apply the changes. Now, connect the USB drive with the Windows bootable media. Power on the laptop and press F2 to enter the BIOS setup. Then check if the USB drive is detected. Exit and save the changes. Reboot, power it on, start pressing F12 repeatedly. Boot from USB to start Windows installation. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you found it useful.